Pinokio is a fascinating tool that is quietly changing the way people interact with artificial intelligence on their own computers. For someone completely new to AI, the biggest challenge is usually not understanding what AI can do, but figuring out how to actually run it. Many powerful AI models require complicated installation steps, programming knowledge, command line tools, and dozens of dependencies that must all work together correctly. This technical barrier often prevents curious creators, researchers, and experimenters from exploring the newest AI technologies. Pinokio was designed to solve exactly this problem. At its core, Pinokio is a platform that turns your computer into a simple launchpad for artificial intelligence applications. Instead of manually installing complex AI models and configuring software environments, Pinokio provides an interface where many AI tools can be installed and launched almost automatically. Think of it as an operating system for AI experiments. It organizes the process of downloading models, installing dependencies, configuring environments, and launching applications so that the user can focus on using AI rather than struggling with setup. One of the most important things to understand about Pinokio is that it runs AI locally on your own machine. This means that the models operate directly on your computer rather than on a remote cloud server. For many users, this is a major advantage. Running AI locally provides more privacy because your data stays on your device. It also allows experimentation without relying on internet services that may have usage limits, subscriptions, or restrictions. When the AI runs locally, you are essentially operating your own small AI laboratory. Pinokio works by managing software environments behind the scenes. Many AI models rely on complex frameworks such as Python, machine learning libraries, GPU acceleration tools, and various dependencies that must match the correct versions. Normally, setting up such an environment can take hours or even days, especially for beginners. Pinokio automates this process. When you choose an AI application inside the platform, Pinokio downloads the required files, installs the necessary components, prepares the runtime environment, and launches the application. What would normally be dozens of manual steps becomes a largely automated workflow. Another important aspect of Pinokio is its concept of AI applications. Instead of dealing with raw models or code repositories, the user interacts with packaged applications designed to run within the platform. These applications can include image generators, video generation tools, voice synthesis systems, language models, research tools, or experimental AI interfaces. Each application can be launched independently, allowing users to explore different areas of artificial intelligence without deep technical knowledge. For creators and experimenters, this approach opens up many possibilities. For example, a user might launch an AI image generator to create illustrations, a video generation model to produce short clips, and a speech synthesis system to generate voice narration. Because these tools run locally, they can be used freely for experimentation and creative projects. Some users treat Pinokio as a creative playground where they can test cutting-edge AI models without waiting for them to become mainstream products. Pinokio also encourages exploration of open AI ecosystems. Many powerful AI models are developed by research communities and released as open-source projects. These models often appear first on platforms such as GitHub and may not have polished user interfaces. Pinokio helps bridge that gap by making it easier to run experimental models without needing advanced programming knowledge. This allows curious users to try new technologies early and understand how they work. From a workflow perspective, Pinokio can be seen as a hub for AI experimentation. Instead of installing tools across different systems, everything can be organized inside a single environment. Users can install multiple AI applications, switch between them, and test different workflows. This makes it especially interesting for people interested in building AI pipelines where different tools are used together. For example, a creator might generate an image with one model, animate it with another tool, and add synthetic voice narration using a third system. Hardware capabilities play an important role in local AI computing. Running modern AI models can require significant computing power, particularly when working with large neural networks or generating video content. Graphics processing units, often referred to as GPUs, can dramatically accelerate these tasks. However, Pinokio can still be useful even on systems without extremely powerful hardware. Many AI tools offer smaller models optimized for experimentation, allowing beginners to explore the technology before investing in stronger hardware. Another advantage of using a platform like Pinokio is learning through experimentation. Artificial intelligence is evolving extremely quickly, and new models appear constantly. Reading about AI can only provide part of the understanding. The real insight often comes from interacting directly with the tools, testing prompts, generating outputs, and observing how models behave. Pinokio makes this hands-on learning much easier by removing many technical barriers. For content creators, especially those producing videos, graphics, or educational material, Pinokio can become a powerful creative companion. Imagine generating visual assets for a video project, experimenting with AI-generated backgrounds, or testing new media generation models directly on your own machine. Because everything runs locally, creators maintain control over their workflow and can iterate rapidly without relying on external services. Security and privacy are also significant considerations in modern AI usage. Many online AI tools require users to upload data to remote servers where the processing takes place. While cloud services are convenient, some users prefer keeping sensitive data on their own systems. Running AI locally through platforms like Pinokio allows greater control over how information is handled. For certain industries, researchers, or developers, this local approach can be particularly valuable. It is important to understand that Pinokio is not a single AI model. Instead, it is a gateway to many models and tools. Its role is to simplify installation, management, and execution of AI applications. This distinction is key for beginners. Pinokio does not replace existing AI technologies but makes them more accessible by organizing them into a unified environment. The future of artificial intelligence will likely involve many different models working together in complex systems. Tools like Pinokio represent an early step toward making these ecosystems manageable for everyday users. As AI continues to grow more powerful, platforms that simplify access to advanced technology will become increasingly important. For someone completely new to artificial intelligence, Pinokio offers a practical starting point. It transforms a personal computer into a small experimentation lab where new ideas can be tested and explored. Instead of only reading about AI, users can directly interact with it, experiment with different tools, and learn how modern models operate. In simple terms, Pinokio lowers the barrier between curiosity and experimentation. It takes technologies that once required advanced technical skills and makes them more approachable for creators, students, developers, and anyone interested in the future of artificial intelligence. By combining automation, local execution, and access to a growing ecosystem of AI tools, Pinokio helps transform a regular computer into a powerful environment for discovering what artificial intelligence can really do.